You've got the ambition, the drive, but are your style choices holding you back? Today we're breaking down 5 common mistakes that kill your look and how to fix them fast. Let's level up your style and confidence right now. Mistake number 1, wearing ill-fitting clothes. Baggy shirts, jeans that drag, or jackets too tight. Nothing ruins your look faster. The fix: know your measurements and invest in a good tailor. Remember, fit is king. A $20 shirt that fits well will always outshine a $200 designer piece that doesn't. Next up, over-accessorizing. Less is more, gentlemen. A sleek watch and maybe one subtle bracelet or necklace. That's all you need. Going overboard can make you look like you're trying too hard. Keep it simple and classy. Mistake number 3, neglecting shoes. Shoes make or break your outfit. Don't let dirty or outdated footwear drag you down. The fix? Invest in versatile classics like clean white sneakers, leather boots, or a pair of loafers. And always keep them clean and polished. Mistake number 4, ignoring grooming. Your style isn't just about clothes, grooming matters just as much. Overgrown hair, untrimmed beards, or dry skin can ruin an otherwise sharp look. Fix it with regular haircuts, a good skincare routine, and beard maintenance. Grooming isn't optional, it's essential. Mistake number 5, dressing without context. Wearing a suit to a casual event or sneakers to a formal dinner sends the wrong message. Always consider the occasion and aim for the right balance. Think stylish, not overdone. Now that you know what to avoid, it's time to take action. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Sovereign Style, your ultimate guide to mastering style and success. And stay tuned.